What's going on, everyone? Today's April the 10th, 2022. Goldman Sachs puts out a sell rating on Robinhood stock. Isn't that amazing? I'm going to show you why these institutions don't work in our favor, as to why we don't pay attention to news, breaking news, things that happen into the market, because it is always after the fact, right? It always occurs after the fact when the market has already did its price move. Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin. Before I show you all of this information, y'all appreciate my videos, my content. What I create here is literally forecasting. I predict where I'm looking for price to go in the stocks, in cryptocurrencies, in commodities. It doesn't even matter. As long as there's a market, we should be able to tell with precise precision where market is going to go. So yeah, if you guys want to join the team, hit me up, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. Tap the bell notification as well while you're at it. Now look at this. Goldman Sachs, right? Look at this article right here. Okay, look at this article. Goldman Sachs, right, was the lead in running Robinhood's IPO. Now this article came out December the 9th, 2020, right? So obviously, Goldman Sachs would have been bullish in Robinhood stocks when it initially started trading on the stock exchange, because they were the lead. They took the reins and made sure that the IPO in Robinhood was going to be successful. Now, this article came out December the 9th, 2020. When you look at the price chart for Robinhood, the market didn't start trading until August of 2021. You see that? July. Beginning half of August 2021. Now look at this. If Goldman Sachs was running the reins of Robinhood's IPO at that particular time, look what the price did, right? This is how you know these individuals does not have your best interests at heart. They're in it to make money. They're not here to help you. They're not here to help me. They're here to line their own pockets. So when the market started trading in Robinhood right here on the 29th of July, 2021, the market hit a high. It went up 123, almost 124% in a couple of days. You don't think that Goldman Sachs and Robinhood, those insiders, was not selling their stock at that time? Of course they were. Of course. Because there was enough buying, enough interest, enough demand from the market that people thought that what Robinhood was going to do, that it was going to be massively creative and disruptive. So yeah, there was a massive market for Goldman Sachs, the Robinhood insiders, to sell. You don't think they were selling, do you? Oh, I know they were selling, because look at the price now. Yes, they were selling right out from the gate, while many of the retail establishments was buying, because there was a lot of hype around Robinhood. Look at all this volume. Look at all that volume. So there was definitely demand in Robinhood at that moment. Wow. So at one point in time, you can see that Goldman Sachs were buyers, or trying to create the environment that Robinhood was going to go higher in price. Not just Goldman Sachs, but I'm really focusing on Goldman Sachs because they're showing you that they took the lead into making sure that the IPO launch of Robinhood was going to be successful. Look at the price chart. It was successful, because they was able to push the price 123% right out from the gate. Isn't that amazing? So you saw price. Look at this now. Robinhood had Goldman Sachs run the lead in their IPO, right? This is from 2021, right? Just last year, August. Look at how low, or how much value has been decreased or eradicated from Robinhood's market. 86%. The market is down 86% from highs that occurred on August the 4th, or August the 4th. The market is now down 86%. And then look at this. Look at this. Then you got an article come out. This is from Bloomberg. Goldman says sell Robinhood at the 84% plunge from the record. That's amazing. Like, you guys waited that long to finally come through and drop an article and say Robinhood is a sell. Look at this. April the 8th. This is when this article came out. April the 8th. Goldman now says sell it. Isn't that amazing? After it fell, Robinhood stock fell 86%. Now you're trying to come through and tell people that Robinhood is a sell. Are you serious? Why didn't they come through and tell that Robinhood was a sell here? Hold on. Let me get rid of this. Like, why didn't they come through with this article and say that Robinhood was a sell during this whole period in time? Look at this. The price just continues to fall, but they want to come through and drop an article on April the 8th, 2022, and say that they cut Robinhood's markets to a sell because they had original interest. Their original interest was running the lead in Robinhood's IPO. Now, I think it might be safe to say that they're not involved in Robinhood anymore with the IPO, because now they just dropped the sell rating. Like, it doesn't make any sense. These individuals, these institutions are not here for your well-being. You're on your own. That's literally how this game is played. They have their objectives as to how to grab as much money out the market. You should do the same and not think that these financial institutions, hedge funds, YouTubers, anybody with a social media presence have your best interest at heart, because they're trying to grab the bag and you're trying to do the same. So now let me talk. Let me run through first and show you what happened in the market from my last price prediction that I did in Robinhood. You guys can see it was on the 31st of January. So I haven't been in this market for a while. You guys can see it. Here it is. It is still here on the chart though. That's why I like TradingView. It allows me to keep my idea on the chart as time goes on. So look at this. I was playing the strength into the market in Robinhood then, and it pretty much came to fruition twice, right? It fell shy of hitting that ultimate TP price right here on the 4th of February, which is cool. I was in the vicinity. I knew that price was going to come up to that particular level, and it did right there, February the 4th. Now, you had another opportunity, even though it took a while, right here on the 29th of March, to where you really could have gotten that 22% off the market. But for me, I don't try to get every inch, every penny, every nickel out the market. I don't. That's ridiculous. You just need to make sure you're grabbing the bag as much as possible as price hits your levels. So that's it. 22%. All right. Now let's get rid of it. Now, that article that Bloomberg came out with was when? Right? When did that article come out? April the 8th, right? This is why I'm trying to show you that they're not here to assist you. Why couldn't they come out with the article here when Robinhood was trading around $16 and say that Goldman Sachs has now reduced their ratings? They've cut their ratings to a sell now. Like, why didn't that article come out on the 29th? Because it would have given you and me opportunity to get out to play at a high. You're trying to come out with the article when the market is trading at a low. Okay. You guys can see that they're not here to help you. They're not. It would have been beneficial for them to come out and say Goldman Sachs hits Robinhood with a sell rating here, because you at least could have taken out a little bit more money. But why would you come out here on the 8th when the market is at a low? Now, let's see though, because one thing that I don't do, I don't follow that information. I look at the money. The price tells you what the market is anticipated to do. So now look at this. We already got a low, and it's around $10 in Robinhood. Let me show it to you. We know where the buyers are at. They cannot lie to us on price chart. That is why I only pay attention to the price. The buyers came through Robinhood around 3 times. Look at this. They came through here January 28, 2022 and held price at $10. They came again here February 24th, 2022, held price. And they came here a third time and held price at $10. That is where the buyers are at. Okay. Going forward, we know that. So as long as price in Robinhood holds above $10, guess what? Don't care what Goldman Sachs comes out with. Don't care what Bloomberg says. Don't even care what CNBC has to write. I know that the buyers are there at 10 because they confirmed it 3 times. So as we see price come down in Robinhood, and let's say the buyers show up again a fourth time, we know that that's the buy area right there. It's just that simple. Not paying attention to nothing else. The market is the news. So pay attention as time goes forward to see if Robinhood holds $10. So already that's my first price target. It's $10. I'm going to look for the price in Robinhood to try to hold price around $10. I already got it. Now, what do you think the chances are of us seeing Robinhood break below $10? Because look at this. Look at this. This is where the market in Robinhood got rejected. Wow. Look at that. The rejection area in Robinhood, the point to where the buyers could not increase price, was right here. I would give it around this area here. It was around $15.50. The market buyers could not trade price above that level. Is that a coincidence? No, it's not. Look at that. I'm looking at this on the weekly time frame, and right here on the week of January 31st, 2022, following February 7th, 2022, price could not break above that level. The market buyers tried it again on March 28th, 2022, and it wasn't even successful then. So why would we be surprised to not see price in Robinhood go up? We already established that event in the beginning of the year. Wow. See, the answers are already here. Fundamental analysis cannot give you this. Discount cash flow models cannot even give you this. So why use it? So now, that is weakness. We understand that right here, $15.50 is restriction. And not only that, now this level here is going to be restriction now too. We're showing you zones to where sellers are controlling the yard. They're controlling the yard at $15.50, and now they're going to control the yard around 14. So as we continue to see Robinhood's price trade, we know what to expect. If price trades below $14, hey, this is not a buying opportunity. Let's look at it on 2 weeks. Okay. Now this is on a 2 weeks basis. You do not want to see these type of price bars when you're trading at lows, right? The market in Robinhood has completely fell off. You still don't want to see weakness at lows. You want to see strength. And this last 2 week price bar is weakness. You don't want to see that because it lets you know that this is not a buy opportunity right now. So yeah, can Robinhood make all-time lows? Most definitely. Basically, by looking at all of this high volume and how the price chart or the price bar closed on the low, look at that. It's not going to be hard for the market to make all-time lows. So the market is actually letting us know what's about to happen. Just people don't want to see it though. They don't want to see it for what it is. Now, let's go ahead and run the play. We're going to play the weakness into the market in Robinhood, right? We know that $14 is restriction. Okay. The first area for us to come in and bag the profitability is at 10. I already told you. The market confirmed 3 times that the buyers were willing to prop up price there. So we need to get that 11.25% out the market right here. $10 is the first location. Okay. $10. If we see it again, yeah, take the play there. Don't be greedy. Now, anywhere outside of that, like I said, I'm looking for the market in Robinhood to go lower. I don't know how low though. All right, so that is open to interpretation. That's a hypothesis. It will just be estimation as to how low price is going to go. So I'm just going to move it down below $10. I don't know how low it's going to go outside of $10. That's up to you. I want you all to drop me a comment real quick and let me know how low you think the price is going to go in Robinhood then. But I think it's going to make all-time lows. It might be a penny from all-time lows, but who knows? But that's it. I'm here. I'm looking for the price in Robinhood to dip a little bit lower. Definitely. We could see, I want to also show you this because I know a lot of people be looking at my content and try to catch me in the wrong. We can see the market bounce here too. All right, you see that? I get it. So starting this trading week here, if we see the market buyers bounce here, hey, we're not going to go lower then. The market has made higher lows from where the buyers first originally controlled price at 10. Now they're going to control price at $11. I get it. So that's the risk right there. I'm already identifying where the risk is, that starting tomorrow, Robinhood could actually go up, because we already saw that established here, right? So I'm gonna be on the lookout for that, because if it does that, then I need to let this idea go of me looking at the price and Robinhood go down. All right, and that's it. So now it's your turn. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.